This video will go over how to use the Smart Audible alarm. The Audible alarm is compatible with all Feit electric smart sensors and will alert you whenever a sensor is triggered. Setup requires creating a smart scene in your Feit electric app and only takes a few minutes. To begin, open the Feit electric app. Keep in mind that the home screen shows you the devices that you currently have installed. Tap the Audible alarm icon to start integrating your smart sensors with scenes. Tap Smart Scenes, then tap the plus sign at the bottom right to add a smart scene. Set the conditions for when you want the alarm to be triggered. Tap the plus sign, then select from the following conditions. Let's select when device status changes. Now, choose the sensor. Let's pick the glass break sensor. Set the status change that will trigger the alarm. Let's select glass breaker status. Then, vibration detected. You can add multiple conditions that will trigger your alarm. Simply tap the plus sign and follow the previous steps. This time, let's select the contact sensor, and our condition will be when the door or window opens. Next, select the task to be completed when the above conditions are met. Tap the plus sign, then select Run Device, and tap Audible Alarm. Customize your alarm by adjusting the settings. When finished, tap Next. Name your smart scene and choose a color or an image to match. Decide whether you want your smart scene effective all day, during the daytime, nighttime, or a custom time frame. You can also choose which days you want your smart scene to be active. When finished, tap Save. Now, whenever your smart Wi-Fi sensors detect a change in status, your alarm will let you know. Not home when your smart sensors are triggered? Your Feit electric app will alert you to your smart sensors change in status. You can even confirm your alarm and disarm it directly from your Feit electric app. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated your smart sensors with your Smart Audible alarm.